Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm so excited to be back. I've been under the weather. I still am, but I'm bringing that energy to you guys because I've been wanting to make videos. I've been filming videos and they just aren't to the level that I really want them to be. So I haven't posted them yet. I want to bring amazing content to you guys. So please be patient with me because I have some plans that are coming and I can't wait to show you guys. 2020 has been pretty hard for a lot of us, and I really hope that you can come to my channel and feel the warmth and the good energy that I have for you guys. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a glossy eyeshadow look. So I've been seeing this kind of surfacing again. It's actually kind of old, but I've been seeing it surfacing again and I actually like it. So I was like, let's do this. Let's go ahead and try this out. So I want you guys to grab your makeup. We're gonna go ahead and do this together. Let's have fun. Like, we're at home. Let's do this. So if you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. And let's get into this look. So my face is pretty much already done. I just wanted to get that over with so that way we can just get into this. But I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So I have the Profilt'r Hydration Longwear Foundation by Fenty Beauty, of course, and it's the color 370 or the number 370. And then I also have the Profilt'r Concealer in the same number, 370. I also kind of contoured my face a little bit with Coco Naughty bronzer. I love Coco Naughty. It's bomb. Okay, so what we're gonna go ahead and do together, you guys, are eyebrows, eyes, and lips, and highlight, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. I'm actually gonna start with my brows. So I have the Browfection by EWC. So that's European Wax Center actually has their own eyebrow powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. This is the color dark, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It has two different colors. One side is mocha, the other side is ebony. So the way that I usually do this is I'll use the darker side on the tail and then the lighter side closer to my nose, if you will. So let's go ahead and do this. So you guys, I have been thinking about doing an eyebrow video for you guys, like me doing my eyebrows, because I'm like, man, there's so many different things that you can use to do your eyebrows and make them slay depending on the time of day or what you're doing for the day. So if you guys want to see that, definitely drop it in the comments below because I want to know if you guys want to see something a little fresh, a little new, but simple and useful. So just let me know in the comments below. So the powder will give you guys like a light, nice, soft, natural look. So that's what I'm going for on the brows. So right now, you guys, on my brows, I'm using Ebony, which is the darker color on the Browfection powder. So I'm basically bringing it from my tail inward. So light strokes, light brushes. And just to fill in this area right here, I'm getting the mocha color so that way it doesn't look too dark. Ooh, look how it's looking. Okay. It's looking cute so far. Bang! One eyebrow is done. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's raining outside. No, honey, it's like a baby hurricane outside. There's a thunderstorm. So if you guys hear that, please don't mind it. I hope you guys are staying safe. I feel like this eyebrow is thinner than this eyebrow. Did she do my brows too thin? I'm gonna tell you guys to take your time with your brows because the shape of your brows and how intense they are can definitely change your look. You can look angry, you can look really angry, and you don't want to look angry. You don't want to look crazy. You don't want your eyebrows to be too dark. You don't want them to be too light where you can't see them. But yeah, so when you guys do your eyebrows, I take a lot of time when I do my eyebrows because I want them to look really natural. I'm all about that natural look and crisp. Like, it needs to look crisp and nice, like you want to slay your brows. So yes, honey, if I take a long time to do my eyebrows, it's because I want to look good. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I just finished putting the powder on my brows, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the 24 Brow Setter by Benefit. So we're basically gonna go ahead and set our brows in place even though we have powder on them, okay? So we're trying something a little bit different today. So yes, so let's just go ahead and set these brows. There we go, baby, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there you go, guys. They're the brows. So we combined a powder with a gel. So brows are done, they're set, they're ready to go. Hopefully they're looking natural and beautiful. So now that the brows are complete, we're gonna go ahead and get into my favorite part, the eyes, okay? So we're going to use Juvia's Place today. So this is the Masquerade Mini by Juvias. These are the different colors that are on the palette. What color are you gonna pick? Can you guess which one I'm gonna get? I'm gonna pick. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing Dalia and Zola, the two top blue colors. So I wanna go ahead and do this aqua vibe. Because of this being a glossy look, like why not use blue? Let's look like the ocean, okay? So the reason I'm not doing, you know, orange or pink or purple or anything like that is because of that reason. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna be using two different brushes. I'm just gonna use two brushes to accomplish this look. So both of these brushes are Morphe brushes. They're these two here. One is the M330 brush, and then the other one is the M153 brush, which is one of my favorite brushes. And right now it's looking a little slanted. I don't know what's happening to it. I don't know what happened to it in my makeup bag, but it's looking a little tired. But anywho, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I actually already placed some foundation on my eyelids, but we're gonna go ahead and do that again. But this time, let's use the Hydro Grip primer. I'm gonna prime my eyes with Hydro Grip so that color can suck onto it. So when we put the gloss over it, it stays in place. I hope you guys' this summer is going well so far. I mean, as well as it can be. I hope you guys are staying safe. And just like making the best out of it, because this isn't the best year, of course, we all know that. And I really hope that you guys are trying to keep yourself positive, like keep a positive mindset, because it's really hard. I know this year has been pretty tough with a lot of people in a ton of different ways. Like everybody is going through this in a completely different way. So I really hope that you guys are being safe. Oh, speaking of safe, oh my gosh, the thunder out there is on another level. But yeah, you guys, I just want to say, like, I hope that you guys are being safe and you're staying safe, and I hope you and your family are all well. So we're gonna go ahead and start. So let's do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one first, and we're gonna go ahead and do Dalia, and I'm gonna do it all the way up here. So let's go. As you can see, I have barely used this Juvia's Place palette since I did that unboxing, because I mean, you know, where are we going? Ooh! Oh my gosh, Hydro Grip. You are gripping onto this. Wow. Wow, look at that color. Oh my gosh. That is blue. Wow. No need to use my finger today, guys. Look at this. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use another brush. This is the M421 brush by Morphe. So I'm gonna just go in here and clean it up a little bit. It's looking a little wild. Okay, so you see this little empty space right there? I'm leaving that for the other color. I know it's just gonna be laid right on top, but I just wanna leave a little bit of space so right there on that part of my eye will shine. So now I'm gonna go in with Zola. Ooh, look at that shade. It's like turquoise. Ooh, wait. Oh my gosh, Juvia's Place. This is nice. Okay, and Hydro Grip. Okay, you guys are working very well together. You guys are the perfect match. Okay, let's go ahead and do the other eye now. This blue is insane. Wow, like wow, this is a really pretty color. Okay, so same deal on this eye too. I don't want it to get too crazy, so I'm gonna go in with the same brush, so that way I can just control that level of blue in my crease makeup. Okay, you guys, so the blue is gonna get a little bit out of hand if you use the same style brush and the same color as me and the same exact palette. So I'm trying to go ahead and clean it up a little bit by just reapplying some concealer right over here in this area just to clean it up a little bit. All right, you guys, so the shadow is complete. Wow, this blue is popping. Oh my gosh, it's very loud. Okay, so I can't wait though, because it's gonna look so good when we put the gloss right over it. Ooh, I'm excited. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the glossy look that I've been talking about. So I'm actually gonna try to use E.L.F's lip lacquer. So it's a clear lip gloss. I'm gonna see how well it can actually apply this glossy look. So let's go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put it on a different, like, look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a different brush. Just use like an old brush or some brush that you don't really care about anymore, and use that to apply this, just in case it's so sticky that you can't get it off. Then you can always use it for gloss in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this out of here and put it on that brush. It's been kind of hard to get it out already, and I wanna use this one that comes with it because then I'd be able to utilize it as a gloss itself. So let's go ahead and get this onto the brush. So I'm gonna take a little moment to go ahead and do that, and then we'll apply the gloss. So I'm using this, and I'm just basically going like this to get it on here. Okay, you guys, here we go. So I have a decent amount of gloss on there so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start. So here we go. Okay, you guys, so the brush is taking way too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this instead. Just clean it off every time you go ahead and apply it onto your lid, so that way it doesn't actually make the color not clear anymore. So there is one eye so far, and let's go ahead and do the other one. Hey Trendy Squad, I had to go ahead and interrupt my video just to give you guys some tea. So you see this style of E.L.F. lip lacquer lip gloss that I was explaining with this type of applicator. It's actually, if you guys are in a rush, you can actually use a squeezable style of lip gloss just like that one and use an old brush that you don't care about. Go ahead and drop a little dab of gloss right on the brush, and then you can actually simply go ahead and apply it right onto your eye. Just be careful, this style of lip gloss didn't work out for me because it was actually picking up the shadow, and it was also minty, so it burned my eye. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that tea if you guys are in a rush and you want to try to use a different style of lip gloss, but the E.L.F. lip lacquer works really well. Okay, let's go ahead and get back into the video. Okay, you guys, so I just winged it out a little bit with the gloss. So what do you guys think? Oh my gosh, this is so different. Oh my gosh. I don't want to look around too much because it's like, okay, is the gloss gonna move? Is it gonna stick together? I try to find a lip gloss that actually is not super tacky, so that way it wouldn't do that with this look or pick up the shadow each time I go ahead and put it down. So I kind of did a combination of using this little brush here along with the lip lacquer's actual brush that's inside. So yeah, there we go so far. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to add some lashes and then do my lips in the highlight, and then we're gonna be done. So how are you guys doing? How's it going for you guys? Like, is it going well? Because this is pretty challenging. I like the fact that I'm doing a more challenging look than I usually do. So what do you guys think? Is this a yay or a nay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mint and Shine by Victoria's Secret Beauty right on my lips, so it's just glossy like my eyeshadow. I mean, yeah. So part of this look is you're trying to achieve like wet, dewy, more dewy. You're trying to achieve like a really fully dewy look, so I'm actually going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray at the end. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my highlight right now. So for my highlight, you guys, I'm gonna be using the Cognac Candy by Fenty Beauty. So the color, it actually looks like this. This look is pretty editorial to me. Like, this looks like Fashion Week, like something that you would be wearing on the runway. So for my mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use Big Ego by Tarte. Ooh, you guys, I'm feeling this look now. I think this is looking pretty editorial. Like, as if we're going to Fashion Week. Like, I would see some models rocking this look. Like, with the most simple clothing, though. What do you guys think? Like, seriously, I'm so serious. I think that this would be on the runway. Just me. So you don't want to use any falsies today because you want to make sure that the shadow actually shines and stands out. So I'm actually not going to be using any falsies today. I was thinking about it, but now I'm just like, no, this looks better like this. Okay, you guys, lashes are done, shadow is done, lips are on, and the highlight is on and popping. Okay, you guys, all that's left is to go ahead and set my face so we can achieve that dewy, damp look. So, oh my gosh, what do you guys think so far? This is just, It's actually looking pretty editorial to me. Just, I don't know, it's just super different. I just never tried anything like this before, and I definitely think I would see this on the runway. So I'm so excited that we actually did this together, you guys. Something new, something different to try, play around with your makeup at home and everything like that. So I'm pretty excited about this. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you guys tried this and if you like the way that it came out. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face really quick. Okay, Trendy Squad, so that is it for today's video. Face is set. It's done. Like, oh my gosh, wow, this really looks editorial to me. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. See, it's like simple, but you kind of made it a little bit more edgy. I don't know if you would wear this out and about walking around. Let me know if you would in the comments below. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please share my videos. Share your favorite videos to all your friends and family. Definitely help me with growing, because I want to bring you guys more videos that are like bomb quality. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So I can't wait to try new things with you guys. I'll see you guys later, Trendy Squad. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.